don't know. That's a very, very funny question. Wow. Well, I'll start with, apparently there is some stories that people have written about Ash and Andy on, what is it, fan fiction or whatever the hell it's called? Yeah. About these really descriptive things that Ash and Andy are doing. Whoever has the time to sit down and write these is beyond me, really, truly. Wow. Sam or Dean? Well, maybe both. Maybe both. Yeah. Because it seems like Dean is more the man. Don't tell them I said this. Alright, it'll be on YouTube tomorrow. You know, Dean's the more... And Sam seems to be a little bit more of the curious, sensitive one. No, I don't know. Well, they asked.
TMI!
Jesus. So maybe both, you know. If Ash had to choose, you know. That's a first.
I was just